Ang lima kapapa singgi tribal belt protection committee leaders ko ba anga usiwa aro salam na ya sumayo anga khandeki dasi singgi mahila women leader data kana mo daude singni problem kalsai ukiem area kemakan dasi agana kata wa problem baki singis ki orang agana mo singni site singni area de kai balam kapchana wongja wa problem indiba khena angwa singni dal ko leader ang doma bisong daksaken niroken protection khange. I hope that under the leadership of Bipul Rava and his team, they will take care all the problem of the people, especially when my beloved friend from this area, maybe the government of India, government of Assam, erstwhile government of Assam, they did not put this place in the list of the tribal people. So this problem, we appreciate your coming, your responsibility to take care of it. Ya nangni tribal land saniba dukman Jawa singni di dalam rumah taksaken niroken. Acha ya sumayo anga khandeki singni Brahman Prabot ini problem. Sangkeni meeting kamana habamo January atau February ba singa ibaha. 42 villages mane sotbri geni song metam rangde singni achek dokwarang song metam song de rapa song akam metam rangde goro ba donga bomo khasi ba donga total we have 42 villages. The Brahmapura vote has the intention bisong public allow out ya tak kepa hydro project power construction again na bisong hindi ba daw versi kolgru kengkeng nangni check committee ba ongbo nangni rapak committee ba ongbo chingni khasi ba committee ba ongbo aro chingni Meghalaya side ba ongbo Assam side coba umum, endi ba cina absent mood, absent decision, ya power project dam construction de on Jawa, on Jawa, mo absent decision, absent right, absent, meba collectively we protest that we don't allow the Brahmapura board to construct the power project in this area. Because all 42 villages with a population of more than 10,000, they will be replaced from their original homes. All their house, building, bagan, sagan, paddy fields, it will be displaced. Ya dem ko tharina unoke angni no nangni bagan nangni boa nangni meba pedifil bukan meba ngade rilis kaigono uni kemen ya sumoyo public right na we have taken the decision that we will request government of Assam and the government of Meghalaya to put this project in abeyance or to stop this project at once. Jamu. Uni kemen ripengna anga ya mobarndam thaya manaha aro kemeken ya dem project area omo 10 kilometers effect again. Ang sansari bakti area ko meba mungkin. Mo. Ni kami tahu de memorandum de we have prepared memorandum. Anak korai nana? Mo, ang korai. A memorandum to be submitted to the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya on the occasion of protest against the proposed survey or construction of dam for generating power of Kulsi hydro project by Brahmaputra Board at Ukhem Karsai area. At the very outset, we the people residing at Ukhem area, Karsai area, which is located in between West Khasi Hills and Kamrup district, inhabited by the Garos people, Khasis people, Rabhas people, Boros people and other communities, vehemently express our protest against the proposed survey construction of dam for generating of Kulsi hydro project by the Brahmaputra Board based on the following facts. As per the official information available from the Brahmaputra Board, the proposed construction of dam site for generating hydro project English masih nemu dengan Karo, Khasi, mo Rabha or kumuk mebat kumuk dengan absang protes onna ne mo. Minus na protest ka. Why we protest this project? Because the height of the dam will be up to the 60-meter high approximately. Because when we construct the dam, the height and the level of the water, no, it will be 62 high level. So all these areas will be under submergence, will be underwater. Yes. Number two, the stretch of the submergence, this covering of the water from the dam site will extend up to 10 kilometers. It will take kilometers help pati beba sitting on again it will under water. Number three, the inhabited areas like the to be affected includes more than 42 villages. So 42 minutes, so affect again. The names of the village, Ukhem, Borjhar, Sikadonga, Malagaon, Krishnapur, Kapili, Notunggaon, Sirigaon, Doledunga, Halimara, Maudangop, Borkuli, Mekamdol, Warigro, Umchili, Hasem, Mati, Umba, Daripam, Umdiangsiar, Umdiangpiang, Surupani, Bargaon, Rajabala, Galshai, Nongspung Dalbari, Langkhar, Bherberi, Rani Khamar, Bok Baha, Koto Rabari, Koto Rabari, Kushalpara, Dewanville, Bhangili Bita, Aro Borgorom, Burubanga, Bisimari, Kulsi, Jarugaon, Dighanbil, Malteng, Kathaigil, Chandubi, and other nearby